Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up WooCommerce subscriptions. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account if you have not already. Go ahead and log in if you've not, and after doing so successfully, you'll now be greeted by this home page right here with the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And we have our WooCommerce store, and now we can get started. So basically guys, to go ahead and create subscriptions, this is what we want to do. First, open up your WooCommerce store by clicking on it right here. As you can see, if you do not already have a store, it's going to give you the option to go ahead and get started with creating your store and start a new store. If you already have created your store, then you'll be able to access all the settings you have regarding your store, such as your settings right here and so on. So basically guys, as you can see in this article right here, basically how to create a new subscription is to do so. You want to go into WooCommerce as I have just showed you, and under WooCommerce in the new menu that appears, you want to click products. You want to go ahead and open up products, and in the product section you want to click add new. So by clicking the add new option, you can now go ahead and select that you want to add subscription as the product type. So the product is going to be a subscription, as you can see right here, and then you can go ahead and set up all the info such as the price, payment schedule, length, and so on. All that info you can fill out right here and just successfully add it to your WooCommerce store using the admin panel right here in your product section. And after saving it, it's going to be applied to your store and people will be able to apply for a subscription, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.